Thank you, and welcome to CES 2020. Are you CES ready? Absolutely. Welcome to the kickoff of the world's largest, most influential technology event. This week, you'll be immersed in the technologies that will dominate the next decade and beyond. Artificial intelligence, digital health, 5G connectivity, smart cities. That is just the start. The past decade delivered growth, transition, and change across our lives, especially in how we use technology. In fact, we've transitioned from a digital world to a connected world. The 20-teens are gone. It's a new decade with undreamed of innovations ahead. You know, we started the last decade excited to experience the Internet of Things. I feel an even stronger vibrancy here at CES 2020. The art of the possible. It's a sense of optimism that's hard to describe unless you're here at CES. We're beginning another decade of profound transformation, the roaring 2020s. And in the 2020s, IoT actually stands now for the intelligence of things. At CES 2020, you'll understand what I have been saying on this stage for years, that every company has to be a tech company. And as you walk around this week, you'll experience how technology is enabling us to become safer, healthier, safer, and more resilient. To me, without a doubt, CES is absolutely the best week of the year. It's a networking event that brings together scrappy startups and world-famous brands. It's a global stage that spotlights leaders, innovators, and visionaries. And it's an international summit where new business models and next-generation tech come face-to-face with policymakers and global leaders. It's an immersive laboratory where you can see, touch, and try the latest innovations. It's also a proving ground for emerging technology, from cybersecurity to blockchain to quantum computing. Actually, what CES is, it's an intersection of people and technology connecting to build a smarter, safer world.
I'm so thrilled to be back here in Las Vegas. You know, there is nothing that comes close to CES. It's so much more than a show. It's a true ecosystem. And it's the world's most influential technology event. This year, we have more than 4,400 exhibitors, 1,200 startups all throughout the show. Every major and emerging industry is represented in the tech ecosystem from more than 160 countries, regions, and territories. And I keep using the word more because everywhere you turn, there's more to see, there's more to learn, and there's more to inspire you. CTA is so committed to CES being an inclusive and welcoming for all event. And we're focused on three key areas. The first is in partnerships. We have the Female Quotient, who is our official equality partner of CES. So please be sure to check out the FQ Lounge, where they're having great programming throughout the week. We also have a second group of programming that we're running this year called the Innovation for All program. And it permeates the show, highlighting the effective real-world business cases for creating diversity and inclusion that helps drive innovation. Our third area is in engagement. And CES and beyond, CTA brings together the entire tech ecosystem to share solutions that help encourage a more diverse and inclusive industry.
This is not just the place where the world's best tech gets unveiled. It's where visionary ideas come to life. Because it's not enough to create amazing things. You have to create things that make a meaningful difference with people, real people. Because they're the ones who decide what's worth talking about, what's ready for reality. It's tech that allows us to connect and explore and play in ways we can see and ways we haven't begun to imagine. And here, right now, is where we'll discover the ideas that will change our lives for the better.